Rotary Leadership Institute always encouraged Rotarians to go through interactive sessions along with conversations about the issues that is taking place both in the worldwide level and the local issues. It is believed that a glass of water itself has no value. The moment it quenches its thirst of a person, it then turns more valuable than gold. If we imagine ourselves as that glass of water, it is not enough to be present in the location to serve. We need to have a plan of action. We need to create an opportunity for that thirsty so that time can be of greatest ally and turn this thirsty person's future and make it worthwhile. To achieve this goal, to put our body, mind and soul towards service and quench the thirst, we need not have God-like position or feel superior. All we need to do is make ourselves knowledgeable, acquainted to the ways we can become valuable, so that when we serve our fellow humans, when we stand beside our fellow humans, we know that not just are we creating a surreal change in that person's life, we would know we are adding value to our own self as well. Rotary Leadership Institute is committed to create value-added humans who knows and who gladly goes through hugging the cactus phase. The phase means when the Rotarians are made to become better versions of themselves in order to serve by hugging the lacking parts of themselves. The sessions are conducted in such a manner that it speaks how to ethically become a proper leader first and have faith on humanitarianism in order to provide service. Rotarians are urged to go through a 3-part training session so that they know that is expected of them as server. It's not just through monetary expenses that they will provide service, but what makes Rotary International interesting and different is the fact that all Rotarians are expected to plan the project and implement with their own gathered resources and community members. They will use their own professional knowledge in the sphere of service to make the planet a better place. RLI District 3291 team, after 2 years of continuous sessions, finally held its convocation ceremony to acknowledge the Rotarians who have been sharpened in skills and went through meaningful sessions in order to serve through action. 6 June 2023 is the day which will remain earmarked for being consequential in providing that persistent determination can assist in reaching the stars. RLI district team of 3291 was blessed to have God-sent people to have founded the institute and kept pushing juniors through the epoch to keep the journey going forward, which has been a boon for members of Rotary. On 6 June 2023, we had a grand yet unforgettable convocation ceremony where the graduates from 2 consecutive batches of RI year 2021 to 2022 and 2022 to 2023 were conferred with degrees and Rotary pins. While being cladded with graduation robe, the achievements were acknowledged by our distinguished faculty, Rotary International Director Aniruddha Roy Choudhury, RLI Zone 6 Division Secretary PDG Anshuman Bandhopadhyay, RLI South Asia Vice Chair PP RTN Binod Khaitan, IPDG Probit Chatterjee and DG Ajay Kumar Law, all in academic regalia appearing soigen in red on the stage. a moment to behold where the mentee and the veteran gestures each other in knowledge of their efforts during the learning session. On behalf on RLI District 3291 team, it is my entrusted responsibility and with pleasure that I extended our gratitude to all the participants, faculty members both in District 3291 and our eminent faculty outside who have enlightened our throughout the years, encouraging our participants to continue giving action through service. It is a humbling moment and would also remain oblique to all the team members who labor day and night to keep RLI reach new standards every year. Yours in Rotary Service PPRTN Anjan Roy, RLI Chair and District Coordinator, RID 3291.